Hello students, today we will discuss a topic of class 7, subject chemistry, chapter 4, atomic structure. Students, first of all let us see what are the topics we have completed. First, atoms and molecules. Second, what happens when two atoms combine. We have discussed atomicity, valency, ions and radicals. Today we will see differences between atoms, molecules and radicals. So let us start. Differences between atoms, molecules and radicals. First of all, atoms. Atoms cannot exist independently. There are very few elements whose atoms can exist independently. They are noble gases like helium, argon, krypton. So these are the elements whose atoms can exist independently, but they are very few. So we can say that atoms cannot exist independently. Then second point is atoms are electrically neutral. They have no charge, neither negative nor positive. So they are electrically neutral. Smallest particle. Atoms are the smallest particle of an element. Then some elements exist as atoms. In some elements there are no formation of molecules, as we have seen in atomicity, monoatomic molecules. Monoatomic molecules means what? The atoms are single in the molecules, so we can say that some elements exist as atoms. Now, molecules can exist independently. Molecules like O2, H2, they can exist independently. They are electrically neutral. They have no charge nor positive, neither positive nor negative. So they are neutral, zero charge. Not the smallest particle. We know that molecules are made of atoms. So how they can be the smallest particle? They are not the smallest particles because they are made of a group of atoms. Then many elements exist as molecules. Many of the elements, they form molecules like oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen and many others. They form molecules. Then lastly is radicals like NH4 plus, then NO3 minus. So these are the radicals. They cannot exist independently like the atoms. They cannot exist independently. They combine with other radicals to be stable. The second point is electrically charged, positive or negative, like NH4 plus. It is positively charged. So NH4 plus will combine with another radical of negative charge, and that's why they cannot exist independently. They have to combine with any other radical with the opposite charge. Then not the smallest particle because they are made of many elements, many atoms of different elements. And last point is no elements exist as radicals. Elements don't exist as radicals. The atoms, they combine and form radicals. Okay, I hope it is clear. And the homework or the assignment is to write the differences between atoms, molecules and radicals. You will note down these differences in your notebook.